Creating a project in a Capsule CRM is a straightforward process that can help businesses manage multiple projects and customers. The main reason to create a project in a Capsule CRM is to keep track of various projects and ensure they are completed on time. To start, you can access the home screen of your Capsule CRM, where you can click on the Add button at the top right corner, and then select Project from the drop-down menu. Alternatively, you can click on the three horizontal lines at the top left corner, which will take you to the Projects section, where you can click on Add Project at the top right corner. Once you are in the Create Project screen, you can start adding details about your project. This includes naming the project, connecting it to a person or organization, and adding a description. You can also link other contacts, add the project to a board, and specify the stage of the project, such as briefing, planning, delivery, or a review. Additionally, you can set the status of the project as open or closed and add an expected close date. You can also add tags to categorize your projects, making it easier to sort and find them later. For example, you can add tags like YouTube or Manhattan to projects related to those topics. After entering all the necessary information, you can click on the Save button to create the project. Once the project is created, it will be automatically added to your Projects section, where you can see its current stage. You can easily drag and drop the project to different stages as needed. And you can also edit the project details by hovering over it and clicking on the arrow icon. This simple process allows you to effectively manage your projects and stay organized in your Capsule CRM.